Last week, the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line was set to debut their new massive cruise ship, Odyssey of the Seas. Sailed it on down to Cape Canaveral, Florida with only the crew on board, and before they were able to really launch the ship and start bringing people in, they had an outbreak of COVID-19 and the entire crew had to be quarantined. This happened, as I mentioned, Cape Canaveral, Florida, a state where our Trump-loving Republican Governor Ron DeSantis actually banned the cruise industry from mandating vaccine proof of vaccination before you can get on a cruise ship. Now, as I mentioned, it was only the crew on the ship. And here's a little other nugget for you. The entire crew was vaccinated. And they still had an outbreak of COVID-19. And part of the reason for that is because they had people who had literally just gotten vaccinated, then got on the cruise ship, close, cramped quarters. Their vaccines had not had time to yet be effective, and they came down with COVID. Others still got it even with their vaccinations being effective, mild cases, obviously no hospitalizations, but the entire ship is quarantined now. Here's the thing. Because of Ron DeSantis' policies of not allowing these cruise ships to mandate vaccine proof before you get on board, this is going to continue happening and is going to become much, much worse. Now, again, that's not even to say that even if everybody on there had proof of vaccination, that you wouldn't still get outbreaks. But DeSantis is making it worse, and he's intentionally making it worse to pander to his low information base, saying, we're not going to mandate vaccine passports, even though literally no state has mandated vaccine passports. Not that it's a bad idea. We are still in a global pandemic, and making sure that people are safe and protected should be priority number one for the government at the state level and the federal level. But DeSantis can't do that. Violates our freedoms. No, it doesn't. You have to have proof of vaccination to register for a public school here in the United States. To go to a private preschool, you have to have proof of vaccination. We require that for so many, to get into college, we require it for so many things here in the United States. Certain jobs, you have to have proof of vaccination. So no, this is not out of the realm of possibility, and no, it doesn't violate our freedoms. But cruise ships already, even before the pandemic, were known as giant incubators on the sea. Diseases, illnesses, sicknesses, whatever it is, would spread like wildfire because you have thousands of people crammed in close together, recirculated air through the cabins. It's difficult to keep diseases in check on a cruise ship. But again, Ron DeSantis wants to make it worse because he thinks it's going to be good for Florida's economy. We're already seeing that it's not. And we're already seeing that even among the vaccinated, you still can't control the virus.